Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Zapier, Google Sheet, and Facebook lead ad integration. So this makes your life easier. You don't have to download the leads when it comes to your Facebook account. Now you have to log into your Facebook ads account and then download the Google Sheet, Excel sheet, or in CSV or XLS format, and then you send it to your client or use it for your own business. So the better and the easy way is to integrate your Facebook ads, lead ads forms to Google Sheet. Okay, so for that you need an app called Zapier, a paid version of that. So this is my Zapier account. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so first of all you need to create. This is for one of my client. So I'm just creating a test sheet here. So you have to first create your sheet through your Google Drive, and then you enter your whatever the data that you want to capture. In this case, I'm capturing date, full name, phone number, and email ID. And remember, if you are using any CRM like CRM softwares or any email automation softwares, they prefer first name, last name separately. But here I'm not using full name because I'm not going to send this on any CRM. So this is the data I pretty much want to capture. If you want to capture address, city, zip code, you can have all of this here. So in my Facebook lead ad form for this client, I'm capturing these three data. Okay. So here is how it works. So once you create this Google Sheet, you create all these headings here, and for some reason, I don't know, you have to keep this first column or first row empty. Okay, just fill in something like, for example, dot 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 or some lines. So I don't know the reason, but when I tried without that, it wasn't working. So I contacted their support, Zapier support. So then they told me to do this. Okay, so fill in the like dot dot dots first column, and then whenever you are getting new leads, that will get filled from you. Okay, so that's the first thing. So create a Google Sheet from your Google Drive, and then you enter the fields that you want to capture, then keep the first row empty with some dots or a line, and then from row 3 it will the new leads will start feeding here automatically. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, now let's go to the Zapier. So once you log into your Zapier account, you have to select your, let me show you, sorry. So where do I go from the beginning? Okay, let me go here. I'm already in the editor. Okay, so this is how it looks when you logged in. So you click on make Zap, and this is where you have to select Facebook lead ads. Okay, so click on this. Then this is where I was earlier. So then you say new lead ad, then save and continue. Then don't forget to name your Zap. So here I'll say shelter forms lead form. Okay, so I have multiple clients, so I don't want to mix up everything. So shelter forms lead form, right? So then here you will have to connect an account, then click second, set success, then I click continue. Then you have to select the page here. So I have a lot of pages, so I'll go and I'll select this one. So then once you select, it will show the form. Okay, so this is the form I've already set up in my Facebook lead ads. So I'll select this form, then just refresh for sake of make sure there's no errors. So this is the page, this is the form name, then click on continue. Now always do the test. Don't do this because you may not know whether the leads are coming to your Google Sheet or not. So it's always better to test. Okay, right? So this is just lead A. You can select any of this, that doesn't matter. What it looks is just you have to click on this arrow. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is one of the lead that we got. So it shows, then you click on continue. So this is where you connect your Google Sheet, right? So from here you select Google Sheet. So if you look on the second, this is where we are. Okay, so we are setting up the action. In that we have to select the app. Now here is a create spreadsheet now or update a spreadsheet row, right? So I would do always this, depending on your what you want to do. You can test both. So select this and then continue. Now, so I've created a Google Sheet from this account, so I'm connecting that. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, Google Sheet Girish and Digital Sundar. Then click on test. So it's success. So always test, never miss the test. It should come success. If it is not, then contact the support. Then click save and continue. There you go. So then spreadsheet and the worksheet. Now when it says spreadsheet, this whole thing is called spreadsheet, right? This name of this is called spreadsheet. And when they ask worksheet, that's about this sheet, like sheet 1, sheet 2, whatever the number of sheets that you keep adding. So where you want to feed that data. So in this case, this will be sheet 1 and this is the form, right? So let's go to the Zapier, right? This is the one we want, right? If you look at the name, the shelter forms daily tracking. So enter that and then you select sheet 1. So there are many other options, don't get confused. We want to feed the data here, right? I'll just show you again. We want to go on the sheet, on this spreadsheet on sheet 1, right? That is where this thing. Now go back here. So once you select this, now you have to map the fields that you want to capture, right? So on the Google Sheet we have these 4 data, right? Date, name, full name, phone number, email ID, and that's what it's showing. Now if you want, you can refresh. If you, in case if you add any extra fields, as I said, like you want to add zip code, city code, or any other information that you want to capture from the lead forms, you have to enter here and then you have to make sure that you refresh the page so that those fields will load here. Now to map, you have to just click on this icon and then when it says date, Facebook name it in this way, created time. So here the date, right, 25th November, and then they have some timings. So this is what you have to select for the date row, right? So date, then for the full name. So right now I'm capturing the full name, but I recommend you use the first name and last name separately if you're using a CRM, if you're using a email automation. So then for the phone number, this is all very simple, right? Then you select email, then select email, right? So this is how you map date, right, full name, phone number, and all of that. Then click on continue. Now we will do the test, right? So the test version was sent to Google Sheet just now. Now if you go here, see that has come here. See that? So that's how easy it is. So whenever somebody fills up your, form on your Facebook advertisement, when they see your ads on your Facebook and they fill up the form, so that will automatically come to the Google Sheet, and you can keep track of the status of the each lead, and you can enter the comments when they are coming, when they are going to buy your products, whether they're interested, not interested. You can get all the data on these fields. So this is how you create your Facebook ads and Google Sheet integration via or through Zapier app. Okay, so you need these three things: Google Sheet, Facebook lead ad forms, and Zapier to make it work. So this is now finished. Now we have to activate. So this is in the off. Just activate now, and that's it, guys. So now if you saw something valuable, so wherever you are, whether you're on LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, like this video, share this video, tag your friends and family who are interested to do this and who are into advertising on Facebook or any other platforms. So share this. If you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon to get notification for my future videos. Thank you guys. See you soon. And also, before I end, leave comments on what kind of videos you want to see in future. So I'll make sure that I make videos on that. If it is frequently asked by many people, I'll make videos on that. Okay, if one or two person asking, so I'm sorry I won't be able to do it. But if 5, 10 people or more than that required something common, then I'll make video on that. So thank you very much. See you guys.